Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can pin any post on your Facebook. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook, and just to let you know, pin post means that if you pin one post, that post will show on the top of your profile. So let's start the video here. Just click those straight three lines on top of your right. Click here, and now click here. You go to your profile and scroll down and select the post that you want to pin. And I'm going to pin this post. And now on top you can see the three dots. Just click that option and click this pin post option and click here. And as you can see, my post has been pinned, and my pin post is on the top of my profile. You can also unpin this post pretty easily. Just click those three dots again and click this unpin post, and now you can see my post is unpinned. And in this way you can pin and unpin your post really easily on Facebook. And that is it for today's video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.